Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today I will explain you what the price of the gold and what will be the price of the gold in the near future or on Monday, how it can perform. So as I've already told you in my previous video, you will find the video in the description, or you'll find the video in my this upside and the I button. See what I've told you. Don't buy what I have told you. Don't buy at 18. Don't buy now. Once it cross 1860, then you can buy gold. See, now the prediction is coming right. See what the market is doing. It was continuously coming down. See, now it is 1829. See, if you have bought it at 1855 or and you might be in loss. So what I have told you is coming. See, if you have invested before, if you are looking for a longer view, then you can invest. But as of now the market is down because of the interest rate increase in the US. Because of that, gold is coming down. See, in this particular range, if you want to invest, I have already told you that let the 1860 cross, or once it make a U pattern, once it make a trending a W pattern, so that the market can change. Okay, so then I will suggest you to buy, because as of now, see, longer view I have showed you. See, from here it was continuously coming down. So what you have to do is let the market, see, this is a W pattern, but once it break this level, okay, there are high chances at the resistance point, and then there is chance that it can come to 1844. But what I suggest you now, because this is, if you are looking for a longer view, longer fees for a 5 years or 6 years or even 3 years, then you can invest in gold now. If you are doing intraday, or you are doing a short selling or something, then I suggest you should not do it, because the market still, see what it do, what it is doing. See what it do, it comes down, hold for some time, then come down, it goes up, come down, hold for some time. When will be the market, whenever the market will come down, what it will do, it will come down, make a W pattern, or hold for some time, then it will go down. In the same way, if the market has to go up, what it will do, it will go up, it will hold for some time, and then it will go up. Okay, so what you have to do, take this as a support, and then the market can go up. So this you have to understand. Now the gold prices are continuously shrinking. Okay, so what I suggest, if you are looking for longer view, longer for 4-5 years, then you can invest now, because the price is good as of now. Or if you are looking to invest in some 1 month or for short selling, something like this, then there is chances that you should wait for, let the come for a more than 840 or 850, then you can invest it, because the trend will change. Once the trend will change, the market will stabilize, and then the price of gold can go up. As because of the interest rate have gone high in the US, that is because of this, the problem is because of the price of gold is coming down. So now for a view, for Monday view, for 3-4 days, what you can do is wait for price of 1835 to come up, and then you can invest in this. Or you can, if you are looking for a longer view, then you can wait for 1844 or 1850. Then there is chances that the market can make a good U-turn. Okay, so this is what for today. So one thing I want to tell you, whenever you want to invest for a longer view, you should see it. If it comes down, if hold for some time, then it go down. If it don't go down, then there is chances that the market, if it is making a U-turn, then there's chance it going high. So I would suggest people who want to invest for a longer view, this is a chance where you can invest now, because it has already come down. Okay, but this is my personal view. It can go further low, but I suggest let it come above 1845, then you can invest, because this is where we can see a pattern of changing. This is for this week. If you like my channel, give a thumbs up. But still I want to share one thing, that if you are looking for a longer view, then you can buy now. or if you are looking for a shorter view, that that the market is continuously falling. Sorry, the gold price is continuously falling, so let it comes above 1844, then there is chances that you can invest if you are looking for a shorter view. Okay, if you are looking for a longer view, then there's chances you can invest in this. Thank you. If you like the channel, give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please